Hello and welcome to my coronavirus video. This is what I've been doing since I've been at home. It mostly involves sitting around building computers at the moment because this is my old computer that died and it turned into the family computer, and then the other day it just randomly stopped working, so I started building it. Went to get some water because you need to get that sustenance in the morning before you start working, otherwise your brain's not going to be working. There's George Orwell on the fridge as well. And then needed to boot test it, see if everything worked, and it certainly did, which was a bit odd seeing that it wouldn't work before. That was all good. Then took the other side panel off just to make sure, little annoying screw there, just to make sure there isn't anything shorting out the motherboard on the other side, because that's sometimes a problem, and there's nothing there. So I tried it again, this time linked to the computer again, and nothing happened, and it booted. So have a look, and nice cool 25 degrees on the motherboard, 30 on the CPU. Then I cooked a spaghetti bolognese, easy peasy, bish bash bosh, bam, new CPU and motherboard arrives because we'd already ordered new ones. Bam, that's how you treat your RAM.
Oh, it comes with thermal paste pre-applied.
Oh, happy days.
What do you know?
Hey!
I like that. I'm appreciating that.
I am tech support at work, don't forget.
On the real though.
Well, it's a fan.
What does it do?
Cools shit down.
Yeah.
I don't know. Just computers, isn't it? It's magic.
And then we have to install an M.2 drive. Make sure the RAM's seated properly before we fire it back up. Fire it back up with the graphics card in it, and guess what? It didn't work. So then I come back up to my PC to do a test on it, and it's doing fine. Everything works okay. So then I decided with the old parts to build a server and transfer half an hour worth of files, and then I went for a walk. Nothing about. Pretty empty. Saw no one. Because everyone's scared they're going to die. Cleaned a couple of my prized possessions very gently on the old Red Special. And then sorted out some wires in the Holy of Holies, which is our wire box. Making sure they're all nice and neat in that box. There we go. Keeping it nice and clean. Treat it perfectly. There we go. And then to finish the day, grabbed another little sip of water. You can't beat fresh water from a fridge. Bam. Say hello to George Orwell.
Right,
Definitely not Hitler. And then edit this video. And then sit here and record the audio before having a nice little kip on the sofa. Like that. And that's my coronavirus experience. Hope you enjoyed it.